Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. Start by opening settings and choosing security. Now tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, choose setup at the bottom right corner, read the disclaimer and tap on next. Then follow those instructions. Now pick one of those options by clicking on the switcher next to the chosen one, and when you're ready, choose next. Then click on done, and now when I turn off my screen, now turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!